If you want to have fewer meltdowns while you're hiking with your kids, you got to match your pace to theirs, not theirs to yours. I'm out hiking with my son on the Pacific Crest Trail today, enjoying a beautiful afternoon. Hey y'all, welcome to Trail Talk Tuesday. Just taking you guys along on my hikes, sharing some thoughts along the way. Today I've got some thoughts on how to make your hike with your kids go better, smoother, less whining. So basically, kids quit when we outrun their energy, or more importantly, their curiosity. This whole hike, my son has been wanting to stop and poke things.
What is this?
Some mushroom, cool looking, huh?
This one is.
Poke some logs, things like that. Hey, don't just destroy them though, okay? You can look at them, okay? Leave them there for other people to see and enjoy.
Okay, look at these.
Yeah, and while that can be moderately annoying, to say the least, he's loving it. And he's having the time of his life. And we're moving whine-free. I used to push, hike faster, just a little further, but that ends up with dragging feet, whiny attitudes, snack negotiations. Now, new strategy, kid-led pace to an extent. And we stop and poke things, and we count birds, and count the animals that we've seen, and we take 30-second breaks, and we do what I call the trail treats system. Often, stop, have a quick little treat, keep going. Same kids, totally new mood. Stop for a little trail treat here. All right, I got 3 practical tips for you. Number 1, if your kid can tell a story while walking, you got the right pace.
Yeah, I had a dream that I was a carver, and I carved an airplane, and it actually worked.
If they go quiet for a while, or they get prickly, that's your sign to slow down about 10 to 15%, or stop for a treat. Number 2, 60-30 micro breaks. So what's that mean? It means if you are struggling to get up a hill or get down the trail or get back to the car, break it up. Go 60 steps, and you can count them out loud if need be. 60 steps, stop for 30 seconds, and then keep moving again. If you need to stop for longer and you have time to, great, but if you need to keep moving, it gives you these little power-ups along the way. And bonus tip, when you stop for 30 seconds, do a quick survey around you. Notice 3 things, and it helps to have a prompt: a sound, a color, and a shape. And that just kind of helps jog the imagination, because, you know, if you just say, look around, tell me what you see, you're gonna say trees, right? But if you get specific and say, what color do you see? What's a shape that you can point out? Kind of sparks their imagination, gets their mind off of being tired and hiking. Did you just fart?
Mm-hmm.
And number 3, let them lead as much as possible. They like being the leader, helps you realize what pace they need to be hiking at, and then they're gonna naturally tell you what pace that you need to be setting. And then occasionally, you know, if they step off the trail to poke something, you know, go ahead and pass them up, and then it usually spurs them on to catch up and take the lead again. Anyway, hope those help. If you haven't yet, subscribe for some more simple wins, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trails.